I don't freaking know. I've never uncrated a box before.
We got some goodies in the bag when we're putting it together that might be in there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, we just got to make sure we know what number I'm putting on there, right?
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top. Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up.
Here we are, riding out Austin, North Austin, right off I-35 in Breaker. We're here to pick up my 24 M1000RR. Yes, I've been waiting for over a year. I do have the 2022 M. 23 apparently didn't go as planned, but now 24 is here. So let's go check it out. And yes, I know it's kind of late, but some people already got the 23. Who cares? As long as I got one, that's all that matters. Let's go check it out. It's amazing now that, you know, I had to buy it, but at the same time, I got to open it. So I guess you can tell I'm not really a handyman, more of a football player. Okay, that works.
Works all right.
All right, here we go. Golly, y'all gotta do this all day?
Yeah, all day, man.
Sheesh. So this is legit. Like, this is my first time really like opening a bike, because I see it on YouTube, but now I get to join all y'all YouTubers on like the whole shebang of opening up a bike, because I've never done this before. So basically what you're saying, since I already paid for it, so if I scratch it, it's mine.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, it's absolutely gonna be yours.
Makes sense. All right.
All right, up and over.
All right.
Make sure there's no scuffs in the paint. Sweet. This is what you ordered?
I hope so.
All right. I'm gonna try to do a little bit on either side.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And we'll pull.
Okay.
And I love that you got the forged wheels on it. That's such a good choice.
Well, the plan is to put some aftermarket wheels on it, but definitely break it in, get on the track. But damn, the weight is so low.
We'll get this all built out for you.
So before every track day, I'm coming to you. Hey,
I'd love to help you out, man. My pleasure. My pleasure, friend.
Now, let me ask this question.
Yeah, what's up?
My weight, my size.
So
you think I need to get?
You made a nice choice. You got the non-electronic suspension. You have the support of some amazing people that are around your circle. They're going to get you like really nice equipment and can tune your suspension for you. This kit's pretty good right out of the box, right? But it does require adjustment to get where it needs to go, right? So having your own independent, you know, rebound and compression dampening requires somebody with knowledge at the track to really help you get where it needs to be. But as far as setting up your like preload for your weight and stuff, when you have your gear and everything on, I can do that there, or I can get it pretty close if you just let me know what your weights are right now to set you out in a generic sense.
See,
but really trackside support is what you need.
225-ish.
225 without gear.
Without gear.
Okay.
So with gear,
Yep.
adding to another 20.
It's about the same for all the gear,
Yeah.
right? So, yeah, if you're 225 riding on track, and what group level are you in advance?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So I will get the preload close, and I'll set it up kind of like how I would want it set up. So getting that lever down just a little bit further helps you full close the throttle and then get to those brakes and bring it closed. So you ever had a problem like where you're like about to stop and you're like, oh God, I'm still on the accelerator, I'm still grabbing the, because you're still reaching up with your hand to get over the lever. So when you move that lever down just a touch, not too far, right, but straight, boom, you're over the lever, your throttle's full closed, and it just makes things a little bit more comfortable.
The little things they don't teach you.
Those little things are very critical.
You didn't teach me that in level 1.
I'll teach you, for sure. You ain't gonna be level 1 long, I can tell you that.
You didn't teach me that in level 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, we just gotta make sure we know what number I'm putting on there, right? Oh yeah, that's true. Take a while. They come in doubles, right? Like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3? Or do I gotta go steal somebody else's 3?
Oh, I have to steal somebody else's 3?
Sorry, I'm gonna steal somebody else's 3. Coming to a track, not near you, because I only ride really in Austin, so coming to a track near you here in Austin, if that makes sense. But appreciate it, Tony.
My pleasure.
Tal,
Glad
come
to.
here, baby. Come on. I don't have to text you and call you no more and ask you, is my damn bike coming, whatever, and you give me that politically correct answer of, all right, let me check on it for you. I'll verify. But
I know, it's about time.
yeah, but now I don't have to just text you other things. But appreciate it. Stay tuned. Thank y'all riding out Austin. Appreciate it. Stay tuned. We're going to be riding this on the track soon.
I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.